Welcome to this series of videos that will allow you to discover what the MSM 360 system is and how it works, the first smart system in H2 navigation. My name is Jose Luis, a technical specialist in H2 navigation, and in this first video I am going to show you what you will receive when you buy a 360 system, lantern, power bank or smart bank. If you still don't know the MSM 360 system, I invite you to discover it in detail by clicking the video that will appear in the upper corner of the screen. Let me briefly remind you what the 360 system is. The 360 system is an intelligent solution developed by MSM to offer maximum energy performance and light efficiency in standalone solar equipment. It consists of a solar self-contained lantern, which can be combined with a complementary unit, which can be the power bank or a smart bank. Both units have the same appearance, but the power bank unit supplies power to the beacon if necessary, while the smart bank unit has communication systems for the monitoring and the control of the beacon, as it communicates with it via wireless. In addition, the same power bank or smart bank can perform both functions simultaneously by connecting via wireless or the remote control of the beacon and via cable to supply additional energy. On the other hand, it should be noted that the system is characterized by its modular design, so that we can find up to 3 different sizes for each of the elements of the system. As you have been able to see, the 360 system is a very complete solution for H2 navigation that requires solar self-contained equipment. Therefore, I would like to explain what you will receive once you have purchased this system. Both the beacon, the power bank and the smart bank unit come packaged in their corresponding box, a highly resistant box that has been specially designed to protect the system during the whole storage and transportation process. In line with our commitment to a sustainable economy, we want to contribute to reducing the environmental impact, and that is why we have designed a box made of easily recycled corrugated cardboard. In addition, it has a closing flap, thus reducing the use of plastic sealing tape to close the box. On the other hand, the box has an attractive design at the service of functionality. One of the sides of the boxes is marked with the model of beacon, power bank or smart bank that you have chosen. What contents will you find inside the 360 system box? Here, we have the box containing the lantern. Inside, you can find the model you have chosen. In this case, it's the medium model, that is, the MCL360M. As you can see, the beacon is perfectly protected thanks to several elements that keep it safe from possible impact. The box also contains a detachable handle, an infrared controller, an Allen wrench, and a digital version of the user manual. In addition, the beacon also comes equipped with its corresponding user manual, where you will be able to find a QR code, including all the requirements to download the SmartCom 360 app, which enables the remote configuration of the system. We hope you found this video about our 360 system useful. If you would like more information or are interested in optimizing your navigation aid network with our 360 system, please contact your nearest MSM agent. We also invite you to discover more about our products and services through the MSM website and YouTube channel. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next video.